This is the latest Vietnam job market update report by VSHR Pro Academy of the last week of July in 2022. Through the job market report, we will show you that as the hiring manager you will be able to learn which industry is hiring a lot. And if you are hiring, what kind of hiring strategy can you build? If you are looking for a job, right now the market industry will help you know which industries you're gonna get the most number of competitors. So let's get started and we will discover together. This week, open positions on the internet were still lower than two others in the technology industry. After the internet was banking, finance, and marketing ads. There was a slight decrease from the IT industry, while software and internet went up slowly. The first place was software, which made 510 positions, IT was close to software, which was 495. Internet increased from 158 to 208 positions this week. Moreover, the business focused on staff at middle seniors and associate level. In general, banking, finance and insurance were on an upward trend. Banking rose 5 positions and occupied 150 positions. Finance increased from 128 to 142 positions. Insurance grew 4 positions and made 60. Moreover, insurance and banking need more staff at the associate and entry level in 3 industries. While commercial real estate and real estate had an upward trend, construction had a sharp decrease. Real estate at the first place in the chart, which made 78 positions. Commercial real estate grew 24 to 27 and construction suddenly dropped from 32 to 10 positions. Besides that, they still focus on entry and associate level. The FB and food production industry had different changes. While FB had a slow decline 91 to 89, food production grew 6 positions and made 32 positions. Besides that, they focus on recruiting at the middle senior and associate level. In the last group, except for fashion, other industries have an upward trend. Fashion decreased from 26 to 23 positions. The highest number in the chart has been retail, which has made 126 positions, consumer goods occupied 82 and consumer electronic occupied 28 positions. In addition, they need staff at associate and middle senior level. Thank you for your following and listening. Goodbye and see you in the next week Vietnam job market update report.